Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Maleficent. Not the live action, not the Angelina Jolie, but the original animated. Um, a while back, I did a look inspired by the live action Maleficent. And if you want to see how that one was, I'm going to link it somewhere up here. It's using something I've never touched since, honestly. That's not trying to be shady, I just haven't touched it because I'm like, what's natural? um, yeah, I love how this look turned out. It's very big. Like, I don't know how else to describe it. And I'm mad at myself because, okay, sorry, that was a lot of claps. I'm mad at myself because I wanted to use these lashes called Maleficent by Genuine Kin Lashes. And when I went to go order them, they were sold out. So, I had to make do with some other ones from Genuine Kin, but they're still nice. They're swallowed up by the darkness. I can see that. But I still love this look. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into this video. Okay, so let's get started. I took care of my brows and primed and set my lid. And like always, I use my NYX primer and I set my lid using Titan from the Alien palette. And today we're using the only, the Alien palette. So I think I'm going to surprise you guys. So the first thing I'm actually going to take in here is going to be, I want to take either no, I'm going to go with Phone Home. And place that high into the crease. Now I'm going to take Area 51 and apply that just lower into the crease. Okay, I'm going to take a blending brush, a little bit of Gravity to help blend. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it on camera. Get a little bit closer. So this eye was blending out much easier than this eye, and it's getting really muddy on this one. So I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to real quickly go off camera. Actually no, we're going to finish with this eye first, and then I'll go back and redo this eye off camera. So next I'm going to take Black Hole and focus that mainly on the outer third of the eye. So now I'm going to do my usual trick where I'm going to reshape the eye, and with liquid eyeshadow, then I'm actually going to top it with the Ciate Marble Metals and Twisted. I'm going to go take care of this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to go do this eye. I'm going to go redo this eye off camera. I'm also going to do a full face and I'll be right back. By the way, real quickly, just want to note, I know with this formula it does transfer easily. So if you do see me whenever I come back, if it did transfer into the lid, to the crease, it happens a lot. I'm not mad. I'm not pressed. Okay, and we're back, and I just realized the baby. Okay, anyway, we're gonna do what I always do, use the same colors down below. Although now I really want to play with abduction. Actually, we might change it. First, gonna start with Black Hole and do my usual trick with that, at least. Taking Area 51. Now we're going to take abduction. I have to go into the greens. Flying saucer. Now to add a punch of color, I'm going to take Abduction. Now for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Alien. Now I'm going to run a black in my waterline. Okay, now we're going to move on to the lips. So for lipsticks today, I'll be using the Ciate Glitter Storm lipstick, right? It doesn't say. Anyway, we're going to be using the Ciate Glitter Storm lipstick in Jessica Rabbit, which is gorgeous. Okay, so this is gorgeous and it's really nice, but it's not the color I want. So I'm going to take this off real quickly, line my lips using Red the Scene by Wet n Wild, and then fill it in with Fenty Uncensored. Okay, so I'm gonna let down my hair, set my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the finished look, and it's dramatic, it's big, it's Maleficent. I absolutely love this, honestly. Um, and now I'm just realizing I didn't even use anything from the Maleficent set from ColourPop. Great! Um, but honestly, no. I feel like this suits Maleficent more than that. Just not trying to be shady. Not trying to be shady. But hun, Maleficent always rocked that red. She did not rock berry. Plus, I feel like Money Honey is more Maleficent than that. But anyway, I need to stop. Yeah, I really love how this look turned out. It is big and bold, and that's just how I like it. Anyway, oh, okay. I'm really starting to take after Nady now. I didn't, yeah, okay, we're gonna shut up. But yeah, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say, so thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. I love it.